Hello! Today is the 17th of December, and today we'll be reading The Sleigh Bells by James F. Leahigh. When the snow is thickly scattered, and the frosted panes are spattered, when the tinkle of the sleigh bells is heard across the snow, to the days when nothing mattered, to the days whose hope we've shattered, to the fancies turn our memories, to those days of long ago. For the sleigh bells' music ringing always sets my heart to singing, and the pictures of my childhood are flash before my eye. For to hope I still am clinging, and I still wait winter bringing the sweet music of the sleigh bells. When they cease to ring, hopes fly.